lot number 413, 414, 415, and 416. Of course, your powertrain warranty does apply, and you also can get the supplemental powertrain service warranty through Ritchie Bros if you so desire. Was there 2011 models? 2011. Boys, you gotta appreciate the quality. Knee deep in rubber, rigged up, rigged right. Boys, they're ready to go back to making you money. Just wait till we get that 5-inch rain in about another week. Oh, careful up there. The good thing about it, you don't have to take the operators with you. Boys, take your choice. 13, 14, 15, 416, the longer they come, the better they get, boys. What do you get? You better give it to it and 50, and to it and 50,000, and to it and 200, and to it and 200,000, drop quarter, and to it and 25, and to it and 25 on the money goes down to be 25,000, to 25, and to it and 25 to be 25,000, to 10, and to it and 10, to be 10, 20, to be 20, and to it and 20,000, and to it and be 30,000, to 230, 230,000, and 230, to be 30,000, to 25, and now 30,000, and 230,000, to 25, 30, 225, 35, and 235, to be 35,000, to 235,000, and 35, to be 35,000, to 232,500, Joe, 232,500, 232,500, are you done? And 232,500, to be do that, probably about 2,500, are you done? 232,500, what? 232,500, what? So the tractor's 230,000, 230, fit it up there, 60364. Starts with lot number 13. Takes lot number 13. Tell you what I'm going to do, Joe. He had a second pain hit him there. I've got lot number 14, 15, or 16. Which one do you want? You want to pick one of them out, sir? 230,000. Tell you what I'm going to do. Give me 200 and let's do it again. 200. 200. That 200. Will be 20. That's got to be 20, Roger. That 220. Will be 20. That's all about 220. 220,000. That 220 will be 20. That's all about 220. 220. 215. 17 by 20. 17 by 20,000. That 220 will be 20. That's all about 220. 220 on that trail. 220. 220. Here we go. 217 by wheels of it. 220,000 watts. Now 2 by 220 by 200 would be 2,000 probably about 2 by. At 222,000 would be 2,000 probably about 2 by 222 by 200. Sure, you can take them all. 222 by. Are you done? 225, now 5, now 225,000, and 225, would be 5, that no, but 205, and 225, Roger, 225, are you done? 225, now 75, 227,5. Sure hope y'all plow faster than you've been. 227,5, 227, my last call, soda, 225.
1056.
1056 takes the first one. Gets lot number 414. Gets 414 and 19. Boys, they're all 9630s. All got to hold that tractor right there. Hold that 15. We got 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Boys, you know the name, you know the quality. Take one, take two. Take all 5 you like, go. Give me 200, and 200, and 200, would be good, and 200, and down 10, and would be 10,000, and 10,000, and 10, would be 10,000, and down 20. Would be 20, that's about 20, and 220. Look right here, boys, 210, 20, and 220,000, and now 30. would be $225. That's $225 would be $25,000. About $225,000. That's $225 would be $25. Would be $25. Would be $25. That's $225 would be $25,000. About $222,500. $222,500. $220 now 5. $225. $200 now 7,500. Look at it again. That's $227,000. Proper dollar. About $7,500. $227,500. $200. Now you're doing a good job, Joe. Stay with it. $227,500. $227,500 and a half. Sold it. $225,000. And put it up there. You stay with that man, Joe. He's doing a good job for us. 985. 985. Which one you want, sir? 15. There's 15. What about the other man, Joe? If you want to pick one, it would be $5,000. It would be 25. At 25 down, it would be $5,000. At 25. 25 down, Laura, you done? 25 down, last call. 200 now, 75. At 225, 7 times, probably about 75. At 75, it would be 7 times, probably about 75 and a half. 7 now 30, $230,000. That would be $30,000. About $230,000. That would be $30,000. About $230. $230. The sold it, $227,500. 482. Good job, my friend. Now, which one would you like, sir? 2 or 3 of them? All right, it's lot number 416. It's 416.